So we're just coming into the anchorage in Poros. Managed to sail most of the way. It was started out with about 14 knots and dropped down gradually till we had nothing. So we had to have the engine on for the last half an hour. But yeah, it's a beautiful sail up to that. And just as you know, we're out doing anything from 4 to 5 knots. So yeah, it took a bit longer than normal, but we're here now. So Dee's going to put the anchor down with Yvonne, and Paul's going to bring us in on the helm.
Well, we're in Poros. Came in yesterday. Bit of a sail, didn't we?
We did quite well, really.
Didn't have a lot of wind. We thought we were going to have high seas, big winds. Turned out we had, what, 10 knots of wind maximum?
Maximum, yeah.
But yeah, nice little sail. Came in here last night. Had a really nice night's sleep. It was nice and calm. So we're off to the fuel station, find out where that is, get some fuel for the dinghy tomorrow, find some gas as well. So that's our plan, and get some shopping. Bit of a square here in Poros. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It is a lovely day. A bit breezy now, but
yeah. Quite a lot of boats moving around, lots of charters coming in, a few training boats as we said, and there's a boat show coming up in about 4 days' time, so we expect to see some rather nice boats coming in. Where are we going?
we are on our way to Hydra. We're just leaving Poros at the moment.
How far away is it?
It is about 12 miles, something like that.
Not far.
We've got very little wind, although we have 10 knots.
I was going to say, coming through here, you're going to have a bit of a blast.
Not sure what that cat's doing.
He's manoeuvring, so...
Oh. He might be reversing.
Yeah. So there are loads of boats here. There's a multi-hull show going on in a day or so. And there are loads. Yeah, so they kicked everybody away from the quayside in Poros, and they've tied off all the catamarans. And there's a guy on the radio trying to direct people to where they're supposed to go.
The skies over southern Greece turned orange on Tuesday as dust clouds blew in from North Africa. Strong southerly winds carried the dust from the Sahara desert, making the capital Athens look like a Martian landscape. So we left Hydra this morning,
expecting a bit of a gusty day today, gusts up to 20 odd knots. So we came out to kind of no wind really. We've been kind of bobbing for a while, doing only about 2 knots, but now we've, as you can see, picked up the wind, so we've put a reef in the main, reef in the Genoa. We're doing beautifully. Got the Traveller out as well, just to make it a little bit more comfortable. How are we doing, guys?
Oh, it's fine, yeah.
Somewhere inside there is Paul.
Hello.
He's just all chilled out and relaxed. Yeah, so we've got, what, about 18 knots of wind?
I can't hear you.
How much wind?
21.
And a big sea that's blooming annoying.
Yeah, and quite a choppy sea, to be honest.
Big waves.
It keeps calming off a little bit.
This is a little harbour called Kyparassi, I think. And Kyparassi. And we came on here last night, and all was good. But what a bloody night! It was a nightmare. Swell coming in from the back, bouncing us around, creaking fenders, creaking ropes, snatching ropes, and it was terrible. So we're going to go for a walk, see what's in town. See if we can pick up any fresh vegetables and stuff. We'll show you around. So this is our local fruit and vegetable man, and he's got some beautiful fruit and veg. So we've got some bananas, some strawberries, some oranges, and everything looks extremely fresh. Perfect. We've just left Kyparassi, beautiful little village. Met a lovely lady called Anne who showed us around her house, Scottish lady, and gave us a bit of an insight into life in Greece. That was really nice, really enjoyed that there. So we're on our way to Monemvasia. Should be about 20 nautical miles, and at this speed could take about 2 days.
For midnight.
Yeah, we're only doing about 2 knots. Not expecting a lot of wind this morning. We should have had some more, but hey ho. We've got more wind coming in the next few days. Up to 40 knots, so we're looking forward to that. But hopefully we'll be on the quay or the marina, hopefully a little bit protected, and we can do a bit of sightseeing.
Nice gentle breeze taking us along to Monemvasia.
And how is it in comparison to the other day?
The other day was rather wild.
Okay, be more honest. It was crap.
Yeah.
We've got sails out, obviously full sails because we've got very little wind.
You can tell by the tail.
So this is Paul on holiday in his kind of usual position, really. Tell us what you're doing, Paul.
I'm being the electronics wizard today, trying to figure out how to turn our dangerous alarms target thingy on the AIS, which is proven to be a bit of a challenge.
Yeah.
But I think I've just found the right page.
Excellent.
So I'm happy now.
So he's the expert. We're letting him fiddle. We've tried fiddling and clearly messed it up. So again, still very little wind. Only got about 5-6 knots of wind, but we're moving. We're doing about 2.5 to 3 knots. So we're just quite happy to plod along today.
We're just coming into the old town of Monemvasia. Never been before. Paul and Yvonne have.
Yep. We've been there.
So they're going to show us around and walk us to the top of the hill. Well, not sure Dee wants to do it, but yeah, the old town looks amazing.
Well, good morning from Monemvasia. We came in here yesterday. We had decent wind for the last sort of hour or so that we were sailing. Managed to come in and we went on the pontoon that you can just see in front of us here. But knowing the wind was picking up today, we've moved over to this one. So we've got spring line on, we've got lots of lines just keeping us all attached. How's it doing?
Yeah, well, good so far. It's supposed to get a bit worse, but
I know.
just
So
put a spring on the front.
So we've got up to 27 knots today, which is fine, but up to 30 odd tomorrow and the
27
following
tomorrow?
day. Maybe, yeah.